Brag, well, I've got a 10 and I'm spending yours a dragon. Cry so much, you know I just need die. Terraria's Minecraft CDI. Every time I take action, I'm paying attention. Lost to survive to the third dimension. This ain't no game, my life's insane. I'm trying to move and double better. We just survive all day and night. But tell me who can do it better. Stop the beat, your house is burning. You just got free, wasn't worth the work. And they took this stuff to make it even worse. Try creative mode if you got your feelings hurt. Demons are an introvert, so my inventory isn't full of dirt. Check my thoughts, so please offer you're an FPS first-person farmer. Aggressive blows, beast on my mode. He is going with me and shit. I ain't only your trick, but still playing your game. I'm a god, you're taking shit even more. That's how you win out. Never, whether you count and it doesn't get there. Ain't no game, my life's insane. I'm on the road to noble weather. We just survive all day and night. But tell me who can do it better. We only need you to be awesome. You can't show your relevance since 96. Oh, you throw furniture. Even Roblox is better. I didn't sell out to Microsoft. Well, at least Microsoft was interesting. Minecraft's the greatest survival. Zero-ya. Don't mess with the side roller. Multiplayer overrated when all your servers do is cause a hold up. Don't got no friends with me. My friends are NPCs. Can't wait for Minecraft to drop dead. After all, you and your friends are blockheads. Macho, no, that's no this is original as your game concept. Step up to the mic and become aggressive. See the rip-offs, no one impressive.